You know that feeling, that little spark right before a toast when everyone's glasses are in the air and there's just this shared energy in the room? That's exactly the moment we wanted to bottle up with our retro cheers print.
It's that half second before the clink. It's spontaneous, it's joyful, and we've poured all of that good energy into this design. It isn't just a picture, it's a whole mood you can hang right on your wall.
But the real fun starts when you look a little closer. This piece is absolutely full of little stories.
Just look at the different sleeves here. You've got these sharp pinstripes right next to a comfy, cozy sweater. It's not just one type of person at this table, right? It's a whole crew, a mix of friends coming together.
And what are they drinking? Well, everything. There's a glass of rich red wine. Someone's got a classic whiskey on the rocks. It just shows that this moment, this little celebration, it's for everyone, no matter what's in your glass.
Okay, and this is our favorite little detail. A martini glass. Not with an olive, but filled with French fries. It's that playful, unexpected twist that just makes you smile. It's the thing your guests will notice and say, wait a second. That's what makes it a true conversation starter.
So you can see what it is, but what does it feel like? Let's talk about bringing this vibe into your own space.
Imagine this hanging over your bar cart, or in that corner of the kitchen where everyone always ends up gathering. It just instantly makes the space feel more social, more welcoming, like it's a room where good things are about to happen. It's an invitation to make some memories.
But here's the thing. A piece of art that's meant to celebrate lasting moments needs to be built to last too.
We are really particular about quality. Because great art shouldn't just look good, it should feel good too. So the frame is made from solid pine wood, which gives it a really substantial quality feel in your hands and on the wall. The art itself is printed on museum-grade archival paper, which is just a fancy way of saying those warm retro colors are going to stay vibrant and true and not fade over time. And because we know parties can sometimes get a little lively, we protect it all with shatterproof plexiglass.
And to back all of that up, every single print comes with a certificate of authenticity, both a physical one and a digital one. It's our personal guarantee to you that you're getting a genuine piece made with care and the best materials we can find.
If you want to see all the different frame colors and pick the perfect size for your spot, you can see everything at the link down in the description.
And we really believe that getting great art to your door should be just as easy and joyful as having it on your wall.
So, your retro cheers print arrives completely ready to hang. All the hardware is already on the back. You can literally take it out of the box and put it on your wall in about a minute. No fuss.
Shipping? It's free, and it's tracked anywhere in the world. We've got a great network, so about 90% of our orders actually arrive within 5 days. And look, we're absolutely confident you're going to love it, but just to make it a complete no-brainer, we have a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason you're not happy, we'll make it right. Simple as that.
Because at the end of the day, it's all about creating a space that feels like you, that tells your story.
Your home should be a reflection of your personality. And the right piece of art, it doesn't just fill a blank spot on a wall. It gives the whole room a point of view. It gives it soul.
So why not give your wall something worth raising a glass to? You can find your retro cheers print and bring this feeling home by clicking the link right in the description.